In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security. Then tap on face unlock and enter your screen lock. Following that, select enroll face. Wait 5 seconds and choose next at the bottom. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now adjust all of those options over here. Tap on done and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!